There's a quiet experience a lot of intelligent people have. Life works, responsibilities are handled, bills are paid, things are stable. From the outside, everything looks fine, but internally, something feels off. Not broken, just tight. And that feeling confuses people because nothing is technically wrong, but the structure of the life they built no longer fits the mind inside it. Most lives are designed around stability, predictability, routine, manageable responsibility. For many people, that structure works well, but intelligent people process reality differently. They see patterns faster, they detect inefficiencies sooner, they notice limitations earlier. So, a structure that feels stable to others can start feeling restrictive to them, not because they're ungrateful, because they can see the edges of the system. Intelligence doesn't just solve problems, it increases awareness. You start noticing things other people ignore, the limitations in your environment, the constraints and systems you participate in, the repetition and routines that were once comfortable. And when awareness expands faster than the structure of your life, friction appears. Life keeps functioning, but mentally, you've already moved past the structure. A life can be functional and still feel wrong. Function means the system operates, but alignment determines whether the system actually fits the person inside it. Intelligent people often build functional lives early. They become competent, responsible, reliable, but competence attracts responsibility, and responsibility creates structure. Eventually, the structure stabilizes, and once that happens, movement slows. That's when the feeling appears. Life works, but something feels tight. Most people interpret that feeling as burnout or boredom, but for intelligent people, it's often structural compression. Their awareness has expanded beyond the structure they're operating inside. So the mind keeps searching for movement, new ideas, new environments, new systems. Not because stability is bad, but because intelligent minds are built for expansion. The question intelligent people eventually face isn't how do I make this life work better? The real question becomes is this structure still large enough for the mind inside it? Because a functional life can still become a constraint. And when that happens, pressure starts building quietly. Life keeps working, but the system stops expanding. So if your life works on the surface, but something inside it feels tight, that doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong. Sometimes it means your awareness has expanded beyond the structure you're operating inside. And when that happens, the solution isn't always effort. Sometimes it's recalibration. If you've experienced that kind of structural pressure, run the 11-point structural calibration. It measures where capable people experience hidden compression inside their life structure. Link in bio.
Concrete production.